Hi friends, it's Miss Painter here. We've talked about telling time with the analog clock, which is these clocks that are in the circle shape. And normally these clocks will have a minute hand and an hour hand. They don't on this page, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, we talked about telling time on the analog clocks with the hands, and we talked about how to tell time on the digital clocks and also how to write. Okay, well today like I said, we're going to draw the minute hand and the hour hand to match what the digital clock says. Okay, that will be our job. So if you are ever asked to do this, you need to remember a couple different things. Make sure that probably the biggest thing that you need to be careful of is to make sure that your minute hand is drawn longer than your hour hand. Okay? All right, that's very important. All right, number 1 here says 4 o'clock. Remember, the 00 means o'clock. 4 is the hour. O'clock shows the minute. So where is the minute hand going to draw? Where are we going to draw that minute hand? When we say o'clock, the minute hand is always pointed toward which number? The 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the middle at that dot, and I'm going to draw a long line pointed toward the 12. And I'll put the little arrows there to show that it's a hand. All right? Now, the short hand I'm going to draw, the short hand I'm going to draw is pointing toward the 4, because that's the hour. I need to make sure that it is a lot shorter than that minute hand, okay? You see how that is two different sizes? I'm going to switch the color here and I'll show you again. Okay, notice how the minute hand is longer than the hour hand. The hour hand is shorter. Okay, that's very important. Very, very important. All right, now, this next clock says 2 o'clock. So our hour hand is the short one, and it's going to point toward the 2. Make sure it's the short one. And then the minute hand is going to point toward do you remember? Okay, when it says 2 o'clock, when the minute hand says o'clock, it means it points to the 12. Yes, the 12. So we're going to make a long hand pointing toward the 12. You see how you have to make it very extreme, how one is way shorter than the other. Okay, that way there's no confusion which is the minute hand and which hand is the hour hand. Okay? All right, now number 3, it says 12 o'clock. So the 12 is the hour. 12 is the hour. So we're going to draw a short hand, the hour hand pointing toward the 12. Okay? O'clock. See that? O'clock means that the minute hand points toward the, yes, very good, also points toward the 12. See how I did that? Okay, good. We'll do one more together. This says 9 o'clock. Good. Which means the minute hand, or the hour hand, the hour hand. I don't know what's happening with this marker. Hold on, let me try this. I'm sorry, friends. Okay. All right, let's try that again. All right, so the hour is 9. And then you say o'clock, which means the minute hand is pointing toward the 12. There we go. So this time's 4 o'clock. The 4 says 9 o'clock. Good. All right, now I'm not going to do the rest of these. You're going to practice on Seesaw with an activity that's similar to this. It's not going to be this exact thing, but it's going to be similar. So now you will know what to do. Just make sure that you are pointing toward what you want to be pointing towards. You're pointing your hands where they need to go, but also that the minute hand is drawn longer and the hour hand is drawn shorter.